Well, I guess they don't like the crawdads. Crawdads are washed out of the hole. This bank is just eroding something terrible. There's a set right there, and there's a set right there. See those rocks? It's right beside it. Of course, there was just a trickle of water in here originally, but this is where they cross there. This water's up. I was hoping there might be a coyote sitting right there, but it's funny how my crawdads right there and they're not eating it, but yet I catch them digging out all over the place. I'm wondering if there wasn't something put on them. The store I bought them from, maybe. Huh. Well, let's go on down the line.